Hi, I'm Dan, a coactive coach, and welcome to Awakened Practice. Have you ever noticed how your mind keeps chasing the same negative thoughts over and over again? You try to stop them, distract yourself, or think positive, but somehow they always come back. What if I told you your brain is actually addicted to those thoughts? Yes, addicted. Each time you worry, doubt yourself, or replay a painful moment, your brain releases tiny doses of dopamine, the same chemical behind habits, cravings, even addictions. It doesn't care if the thought hurts you, it only cares that it's familiar. That's why your mind clings to old patterns. It's not sabotage, it's wiring. But here's the good news. What's learned can be retrained. Your brain's ability to change, neuroplasticity, means you can literally reprogram the circuits that keep you stuck. So, let's start with awareness. When a negative thought appears, "I'm not good enough, this always goes wrong," pause and label it. This is just a pattern, not reality. That single moment of recognition activates your prefrontal cortex, the part of the brain that lets you choose your response instead of reacting automatically. The more you observe your thoughts without judgment, the weaker their hold becomes. Now, here's how to reprogram them. When the thought arises, don't fight it. Just acknowledge it and reframe it. "I always fail" becomes "I'm learning. Every step teaches me something." "I can't do this" becomes "I'm finding my way forward." Then, take a deep breath and visualize this new thought forming a stronger pathway in your brain. Each repetition releases a small, rewarding burst of dopamine, this time linked to clarity and focus, not fear. Do this daily for 2 minutes, and your brain begins to crave this new mental pattern. To make it irresistible, pair the thought shift with something tangible. A slow inhale, pressing your fingers together, or simply standing taller. Physical cues strengthen the new neural connections. You're literally teaching your brain that calm, clarity, and purpose are the new high. Over time, your brain starts seeking these rewiring moments, turning your addiction to negativity into an addiction to growth. And that's the essence of awakened practice. Real, grounded change. No fake positivity, no spiritual fluff. Just deliberate steps that train your mind to serve you, not sabotage you. So take this as your daily mental reset. Observe your thoughts. Reframe them. Anchor them with action. And watch how your mind begins to crave peace, purpose, and clarity. Because the mind won't change until you do. I'm Dan, a coactive coach. If this resonated with you, subscribe to Awakened Practice, hit like, and share your experience in the comments. When did you first notice your mind's addictions? Your story might help someone else wake theirs up.